This is Blue White's A-100NA commercial pool peristaltic metering pump used for bleach and acid applications. It has a built-in 60-second cycle timer and tube failure detection system for when the tube fails. In this video, you will learn how to change the tube and perform the proper maintenance. It is important to have the proper items for your protection. You will need some sort of degreaser or cleaner, gloves, safety glasses, and a cleaning rag. The gloves and glasses should be put on before any maintenance is performed. Remove the slide clamps to open the panel door to access the power switch. Toggle the switch to turn the pump off. Remove the thumb screws by turning the caps counterclockwise and remove the pump head cover when completed. Unthread the tube nuts to remove the suction and discharge tubing from the tubing adapters. Be cautious of any chemical in these lines as bleach or acid can irritate the skin. Toggle the power switch to the on position. Begin removing the tube from the bottom of the pump head and allow the roller to guide the tube out. Pull the top adapter out of the pump head and power the pump off. Be aware of any chemicals still inside of the tube. Remove the roller and spacer from the pump head. Spray the cleaner inside of the pump head. Use the rag to thoroughly wipe down the TFD sensors and the remainder of the head. Spray the cleaner directly onto the roller assembly and thoroughly clean the roller from any debris or chemical. When installing the roller back into the pump head, note that there is a front and a rear. Do not forget to install the spacer beforehand. Power the pump back on and insert the new tube starting with the bottom adapter. Allow the roller to assist with guiding the tube into the pump head. Use your finger as a guide on the outside, but do not place your finger directly into the head. Insert the top adapter to secure the tube into place. Toggle the power switch to off and place the cover securely on the pump head. Tighten the cover onto the pump head with the 3 thumb screws. Do not over-tighten them. Secure the suction and discharge tubing to the adapters using the tube nuts provided. You may power the pump on if chemical is needed or leave it off until desired. Close the panel door and place the slide clamps back to their original position. Thank you for watching this maintenance video. If you have any questions, please contact the factory as we would be glad to assist.